मुंबई के अलावा कुछ और भी शहर थे, लेकिन 26/11 का जो
I also have my colleague Aditya Vadhavan who has joined me live on this broadcast as well. Aditya, as far as Headley and Tawur Rana's association is concerned, now it is also being learnt that the charges include that he helped Headley secure a visa to India for a recce of the targets. What are you picking up as far as these charges against him on helping Headley is concerned?
Well, absolutely, as you rightly pointed out, Simran, Taiwoor Rana had visited India from November 21 to November 25th in 2008, where he stayed at a five-star hotel in Mumbai. He overview all the logistical and financial support to the LET terrorists, and he had made all the arrangements so that this David Coleman Headley could recce all the spots, three spots in Mumbai, which include the Taj Hotel, Nariman Point, and the Oberoi Trident. As per some reports, it was always also revealed that David Coleman Headley had also recceed one place in Delhi also, but that could not be included in that. But as far as this case is concerned, Headley was his constant touch with Taiwoor Rana, and Rana was briefing the spy agency of Pakistan Inter-Services Intelligence on the continued logistical support and the financial support that because all these 10 terrorists who had come to Mumbai were receiving support from the Pakistani spy agency ISI, and Hafiz Saeed, who was then the active, who actually today is also an active member of the Lashkar-e-Taiba, also provided was involved in this process, and till date, he hasn't been, he is formally lodged in jail in Pakistan, but he roams free in Pakistan under the protection of Pakistani army and ISI. So now here on, it needs to be seen, because NIA will be interrogating Rana once it takes his custody, and it needs to be seen that the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval will be closely monitoring the NIA investigation in this regard. Yes, Simran.
All right, Aditya, thank you very much for sharing these details, and all my